Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Advit. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is about daily practice English worksheet. These worksheets are suitable for the age group of 4 to 5. I have created these worksheets in very fun manner, so let's get started. So in this sheet, I have written the month of the year in random order. Okay, so you have to tell me in correct order. Tell me.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Very good. So you have to write it down later, okay? So
Okay.
this sheet is about vowel sheet. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Here I have drawn some pictures. So you have to write the correct missing vowel. Come on.
S, sun, b, ox, x, k, cup,
What is this?
at, my favorite pet. At, cat.
This is caught.
Cat.
What is this?
Top, because this disc is on the top of a pencil. Oh, top. 10.
Very good.
10 is a
In
number.
this sheet, I have drawn some pictures and write their names but in the jumbled form. So what you have to do, you have to tell me in the correct way. Okay? So which picture is this?
A bee. Bzzz.
So is the spelling is E-E-B?
No, that's Ebe. Ebe.
Okay, tell me the correct.
B should be beginning and double E should be at the back.
Yeah, B-E-E. Very good. This is flower. So what
No.
is the spelling of flower?
It's beautiful.
F
Ow.
F-L-O
You have to say ow or W. Okay.
F-L-O. Then
W. Ow.
Then
Flower. Flowers are beautiful because they grow and have different colors.
very good. Which fruit is this?
Apple, my favorite.
Tell me the spelling.
P should be here
A.
and double P
Yes.
and L here and an E in the back.
Very good. You can write it later. Okay, Batu? And what is
House. We in a house.
this? Yes. So tell me the spelling. H.
H-O-U should be here, S should be here, E should be at the back.
Yes. So H-O-U-S-E. So
Everything has E in them.
yes. So this sheet is very good for the word building and the spelling. Very good. So this sheet is about word building. Okay. What you have to do? There are some blending and here are the letters. So what you have to do? You have to blend them and make a word. So tell me.
I try.
Very good.
I fry.
Very good.
I cry. I dry.
Very good. So this is for the
At family.
Yes. So make the words.
At cat. A cat is my favorite pet. At pat. Pat is like this.
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
Cat is a type of candy. At mat. This is a mat.
Yes. Very good. This sheet is again a CBC sheet. So you have to write the first beginning letter of the picture. Okay. Which picture is this?
A lamp.
Come on, write it down. Very good. What is this?
Pear.
Very good. Next.
Moon.
Next.
Carrot.
Very good. Who eats the carrot?
Yum 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 yum. Rabbit and us.
Which insect is this?
Grasshopper.
Write the first letter.
It hops in grass because it's called a grasshopper. G
Very good.
for
What
grass.
is this?
Butterfly.
Write the first letter.
Butterfly.
Very good. So this sheet is again for the blending. So here again pictures, and you have to add the starting blending one. So come on, tell me, which picture is this?
It's a frog.
So-
Rabbit.
Tell me the blend.
Og.
Very
Frog.
good. Next.
Truck.
So which blend will come?
TR.
This is?
Drum. A
So which blend
musical
will-
instrument.
Yes. So which blend will come?
D-er.
Very good. This is?
Tree.
So which blend will come?
Er.
Yeah. What are these?
Fruits.
FR.
But what is a br?
I will give you the letter again. So BR like brush, CR like crush, like that. Okay? We'll do
B
it.
are also bread and cry.
Okay. Yes. Very good. Sheet is about rhyming word. Okay? So here are the words. You have to look here and circle the rhyming word. Come on.
Fun. Top. No. Can. No. Hat. No. Sun. Yes. Fun in the sun. Okay. Just circle it.
Yes. Second.
Cat. Rat. Tin. No. Rat. Yes.
Do it.
Because the cat chases the rat.
Next.
Fog.
Is man is the rhyming word?
No.
Dog.
Yes. The fog don't know the way in the fog. Okay.
What's this?
A cow.
So is
How? No.
B. How?
Yes.
Circle it.
How the cow gives us milk.
You're making sentences with the rhyming words?
Yeah,
Very good.
because sentence is always made with the rhyming word.
What's this?
Vet. A vet is a doctor for animals.
Yeah. Come on. Fat.
No.
Mob.
No.
Fun.
No, that fun in the sun.
Set.
Yes.
Come on. Do it.
Vet sets the animal. Okay. Set.
Very good. So this sheet you can use for the writing sentences as well with the rhyming words, right? Very good. I will suggest please include this worksheet on your daily basis practice worksheet. If you want to download this worksheet, there is link provided in description below. For more such learning videos, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, Learn with Advit. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.